Hello, today I will show you how to change your game mode in Dungeonborne. First, click on the image showcase here. It will take you to the gameplay menu. Here you can choose between playing casual or classic on any given map. As you can see, the team composition is as a single person, 2-person or 3-person teams. Here is the same thing for the Sinner's End. There's a magic corrosion, basically a shrinking circle around the map, on this map. As you can see, you can choose between classic and casual. There is Mithril Order, training room, making a custom game. There is a competitive team deathmatch 3v3. Also, in adventure mode, you can enable challenge mode. Challenge mode will put you into the map when you are solo or in a group. It will ignore your current team size and will match you against trio squads. So it's an actual, real challenge. When you are ready, simply select your chosen game mode and click confirm. When you are ready to play, press start. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.